All right, so what we're looking at right now is a chart, tradingview.com. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, so there was some technical difficulties, unfortunately. We missed out on a very just easy, simple short. As we broke the second candle low, wanted to short, but I was trying to fix this stream. So yeah, now that that's taken care of, let's see. It's like SPY calls 358. Stop. Oh, this is a lot of strength. They're just pumping this. Don't let this go red. We entered very late. Don't let these contracts go red. We should have entered around 1.9 in that area. So just don't really let these contracts go red. We'll get a better. So basically, from the bottom to the top, if we maintain the 23.6% fib intraday on the 1 minute candle, that is very, very strong. So right now, the SPY and the NASDAQ are basically consolidating at 22.6% fib from the lows to the top, around 358.50. Generally, when this happens, leads to another leg up. Usually we would have fell already. Usually we would have fell to around 358.20. But this interesting strength that we have right now. So they're making it very, very easy for people to go short with a high day stop loss, 100%. But they're keeping it up. IV is very, very high as well. A little small move to the downside just took out like $15 out of the contract. So 53% IV. We have FOMC minutes at 2 o'clock as well. Baidu is up, which is nice. All right. These contracts are still holding value pretty nicely. So usually that leads to a rip to hive day. We came back and retested the 38.2% fib on the 1 minute candle for the day so far on the SPY. And now let's see if that leads to more buying. The NASDAQ was the main reason why the market basically moved up like this. So yesterday, the IWM was the reason why the SPY was moving up. Right now, tech is leading. So the NASDAQ came back, retested the VWAP, and bounced off of that level. Same concept with the SPY. So yeah, we just need to see if this high of day can break. Um, yeah, IV was just very, very high today. So we came back, we stayed above support. And they shook people out. Obviously, this I said to keep it, don't let it go red, but we held support. So almost 20%, but taking profits. But yeah, hopefully, on days like this, it's not perfect. You have to understand, especially with IV, not everything works out exactly perfectly as planned. With IV trades as well. When the IV is very high, we need to have more wiggle room. Usually, you guys know that I take about when I first started alerting trades in the Discord, I would have automatically only a 10% stop loss, and that was primarily because we were trading contracts not 0 DTE. I was alerting contracts. If we were trading on Monday, I would alert contracts either Wednesday or Friday expiration. So a 10% stop loss on those would work, but a 10% stop loss on 0 DTEs are almost, it's like you have to trade it perfectly. But even if we trade it perfectly, IV is still very high. So there could always be more. Here you go, 1K. In and out, 3 minutes. Yeah, man. I'm not sure if you guys held. I thought we weren't going to become red, but as soon as I said that, basically I forgot the fact that IV was very high, so we were going to get red on the contract. So I'm gonna take responsibility for that. But we held on. I didn't say that I was selling out of the contracts. I didn't say I was taking a loss. We held support really well. I also said that 358 was the stop loss. We held 358.20. But at the end of the day, like, if, yeah, that was my fault. Oh, this is the 1 minute time frame on the SPY. Can you guys, like, obviously this wasn't a huge, I mean, we made 15-20% if you're still holding cover, but yeah, can you guys tell me if you guys made money on that play? Just type in some ones. I just ask people to type in ones in the chat because I want to know how many people played it and how many people made money on the play. So it's a way for me to know. All right. But yeah, generally, like, the thing that we have to the most important thing is holding above support and holding above stop loss. So oh my, all right. You buy and sell on market, yes. We could take SPY. Whoa. Yeah, we're in no man's land at the moment. I think they want some McDonald's this morning. I don't know if they deserve it today. Yeah, there's nothing to do at the moment. Like I said, at 2 o'clock, there's going to be FOMC minutes coming out. So on days like this, the market is very choppy and range bound. We have to remember that momentum plays aren't going to work. So right now, in my opinion, if they start making some green candles, right, and they run it up to resistance, what we've seen multiple times in the past is that they run it up to resistance with multiple green candles, get people to go long, and then rip it right back down. All right, so let's see if that is what ends up happening. Damn, the one time I don't want to trade Baba, and I want to choose Baidu instead. Baba outperforms. Hmm. $358.20 is support. 358 to 358.20 is support. It's like SPY calls 358. Stop. $358 stop loss on this. We simply just tried our best to buy as it fell down to support. And we have the thesis that today is a range-bound trading market. So we buy at support. And we buy calls at support, buy puts at resistance. So let's see if that works. What the? Contracts are jumping. Take some profits on the contracts, and then basically now just let runners ride until 358. God damn, the contracts are freaking blowing up. Nice. Take profits and leave runners. That's a good play. One small little candle, we're up $20 on the contract. Good stuff. That's it. We just waited to buy at support. Took a minute, and the contracts shot up 10%. So that's nice. Yeah. So like I said, you can't fall for the momentum that they paint. They painted a very, very bearish picture. Obviously, this was not like this was a sorry. This right here was a bear flag. We broke below the bear flag. A very, very bearish pattern, clearly, right? But they dropped it to support. We went long at support, and now here we are. So unfortunately, like I mean, like it's fun. It's more fun to trade alongside momentum, but money is money. So on days like this, there's not going to be huge plays, I think. So we have to basically just do our best to trade the chop. And to trade chop, always buy at support. You buy puts at resistance. You look the other way. The bubble indicator, I don't use it for whatever, but it's called the Bollinger Band. And also, everyone that's watching on YouTube, I would recommend you guys watch the stream on Twitch, as there is less stream lag. on Twitch. I mean, there's less stream lag on Twitch. There's less stream lag on TikTok as well. I'm gonna send you guys a link right now. Contracts up 15%. So don't. Nice. Take some profits, guys. For the momentum to continue right now, yeah, I hope you guys took profits on that pop. But for the momentum to continue now, this needs to remain above 358. 358.90. But obviously that is not the, it's not the most bullish candle. All right, that's crazy. That's nice. Nice. This was a better play. Good job. I don't feel as bad about the first play. Good job, guys. We bought calls at support, range bound trading market. We didn't allow the momentum to fake us out. Good. Let me erase my art. Now is not the time to go long. They're going to make a lot of people go long, and they're going to drop this back down, most likely to 358.5. So make sure you guys are taking profits and just letting. Now it's just, you're just letting runners ride. Yeah, this is kind of bad. I have a feeling they're about to rip it down. I'd be very, 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 very surprised if they allow this to continue going up, because IV is very high. If they allow it to keep going up, we are gonna become rich. From here, I don't think they would make a new high day. If they do, I mean, why would they be doing that? That is not intelligent for them to do. That doesn't even make sense for them to do, to be honest. What? IV is implied volatility. Type in Google implied volatility options contract, and then you guys will get like a really good explanation to that. It makes sense to go short with a 5-day stop loss here. You don't need to sign up for Twitch. It's a free site. You can just click on the link and watch. There's no delay. Like the delay on Twitch is only 2 seconds, but the delay on YouTube is like 10. Yeah, I was about to. They have to let it go short. They have to drop it. This candle should be red. This candle, it should be falling. Yeah, I was about to really like. I was about to get so shocked if they made a high day off of that move. It's too risky to go long on this candle. We should have another drop. We should create another low so that they reward late bears. And then after they reward late bears, more bears will feel comfortable to join. Then we can go long again. Around like 357.3, 357.5. We'll see. It's definitely too risky to go long right now. People are buying puts right now off. Make it low. In my opinion, that's most likely, like, that would be the best case for them because they want to. Hey, what's up, guys? How is it legal for large banks to move the market however they want? What you up to today, bro? We're just waiting for this support to break, and then off of the next impulsive move down, most likely going to take a long. But yeah, guys, sorry about this morning. The stream was a bit late. The software that I use like was not showing my trading view chart at all, so I don't know what the issue was. I really think these Baidu calls are gonna print. Mm. Have you seen Nvidia? Yes, we went short Nvidia 130. We're holding on to it because we're up over 200% on those puts. This is really ugly price action. So I'm really liking, starting to like 2024, 2025 super out the money BTU calls. MP, will you be trading around FOMC today? No. Lack of help. Crazy, crazy roofie squeeze. No, I don't really use the TLT to trade SPY, but it's nice to have and to see what it's doing. All right, guys. Very, very simply, just look at literally what they're doing. They brought it up till they made a new low. They brought it up right to this level of resistance that was being formed earlier. They got everyone very, very bullish, but they got people bullish at resistance. And then as soon as people started going long, they dropped it. And because IV is much higher today, this drop was probably like $20-$30 a contract. So they got people they're just trying to trap people at the moment. And guys, so for the Discord, basic damn. Okay, yeah, so basically I'm getting greedy here. I want to go long right now. I'm getting greedy. I want 356.9. Let's see. Well, waited for my level, didn't come. Oh well. If we had gotten long when I wanted, we would be up like 30% now. 40, yeah. Oh well. This is basically what I wanted to happen. I wanted us to have an impulsive move down and go long, but I wanted us to fall a bit lower. We didn't fall a bit lower. So therefore, I didn't go long, but it is what it is. Yeah, so I was gonna say something about the Discord. Basically, if go to the Discord server, you could see messages that I sent in the server, right? Try to send me a message. If someone is sending you a message like, hey, join this whatchamacallit, if you invest money into this brokerage, you'll get 10% or whatever. Oh, hello. There's a lot of scammers in the Discord. All right. So to find out if I'm the one messaging you, go to the Discord server, click on Like you could go to the daily recap, for example. Go to the daily recap. Send me a message from where I posted in the daily recap, and then you'll see, okay, this Hamid, I don't have a conversation with him. But this other Hamid, he's asking me how my trading is going. So you have to understand that there's a lot of people that are scamming. So don't be naive. No, I'm not asking you guys to do anything. When you can do whatever. We should be breaking down below 358.20. 358. But let's see. Mike, what I mean is try to send me a direct message, not in the channel. So click on my name and try to send me a message. If there's a scammer that you've already had a conversation with, then that is not me. You have to go to the how to join channel, follow those steps, and then you get access to the rest of the Discord. I'm not asking you guys about how your trading is going. I'm not sending you guys a link to some. I'm not telling you guys to put money into the brokerage. Hey, look, we're getting 20-30% on the money if you put money. That's a scammer. Very simple. You just go to the Discord, go to the how to join channel, follow the steps, click on my icon in that channel, send me a message with that information, and then you can join the Discord. It should not be complicated. Take a deep breath. Like, there's nothing to be overwhelmed about or like super stressed out about just because you don't understand how Discord or anything works. You also didn't understand how trading and everything worked as well, but you figured it out. Damn. I wanted an extra 20 cents. It's unfortunate. It's like you guys have to assume that there's going to be scammers. As this page and everything, whatever, grows, there's going to be a ton of people that are trying to steal money from people. They're going to try to have you deposit like hundreds or thousands of dollars into websites using my name. It's just business. There's like thousands of like social media people, right? If you're in a different country and the US dollar goes a long way in that other country, they have basically an unlimited supply of people that can make fake accounts about and that they can message. All it takes is what, like one person to deposit money and they are good for months. I'm not asking you guys to not asking you guys for any of that stuff. So you guys are smart. So, but this is also new, guys. It's understandable. Such easy plays. I'm just We traded. Well, I executed very poorly today. Should have just went long at the bottom there and had a bit of a loose stop loss, and then as we touched the 200 simple moving average on this move upwards, I was gonna go short with 359.16 stop loss, and that 359.20 stop loss. That would have been a perfect short here, and it was very simple, but yeah, I slacked on like the easiest trades today. That normally never happens. Tomorrow's gonna be fun. Let's take SPY calls 377, 357.45 stop. This is very tight. If we get a close below 357.45, then that's great. It's a very tight trade. We're literally right here, a few cents away. So let's see. All right. Contracts didn't really fall that heavily, but yeah, we're out of these. Whatever. Cool. Still holding support. Most likely going to off of 357.20, but yeah, I'm just gonna call it a stream. Don't want to overtrade and sit here because it's one of those days where I'm gonna sit here for like the next like 4 hours and just make up for the silly greed from earlier. And we missed out like on those really awesome simple trade setups. Now as the rest of the day continues and as we get past 11:30 a.m., the momentum and everything is not going to be there. The volume is also going to start drying out, and FOMC minutes come out at 2 p.m. So expecting a lot more chop. So yeah, definitely don't want to have a 6-hour stream on a day like today. All right, so yeah, so I'm gonna call it a stream. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Yeah, all right, cool.